Hi, Nick from Dick Pond here again with Chuck from Diamond Physical Therapy. Just wanted to talk to you guys a little bit about an upcoming clinic that we're going to be having on IT band pain and how that can affect your running and kind of where that leads. So I'm going to let Chuck talk to you a little bit more about that.
Hi, everybody. The next workshop that we're going to be doing here at Dick Pond is about the infamous iliotibial band, also known as your IT band, also known as your ITB, and how that can affect running. We see lots of runners who have lots of different kinds of problems, and many times it stems to this one particular muscle and tendon. So at the workshop, we're going to be talking about what causes it. We're going to be talking about the kinds of problems that you have from an iliotibial band problem. That can cause back pain, it can cause hip bursitis, it can cause knee tendonitis, it can cause plantar fasciitis. That's a lot of itises, isn't it? So we're going to be talking about what happens when you have it, the kind of symptoms that help you recognize, oh, maybe it is my iliotibial band. And we're also going to be talking about how you can fix that problem. So we would love to see you at the workshop. If you've ever had iliotibial band problems, you need to come. This is a really good one. Anything else, Nick?
Also, too, we'll be discussing how to use a foam roller, especially focusing on that IT band as well as working out the muscles around it so that way you can be healthy and injury-free. Thanks a lot, and we hope to see you there, and click the link below to sign up.